Knowledge Apparel and Products celebrate your dedication to education and lifelong learning within the Black community. This brand is yours because you promote education and learning. Products are more than just things. They are tangible affirmations that encourage you to build a fulfilling life for yourself, your family, and your community. With Knowledge Affirmation Apparel and Products, you can support your passion for education and learning. Join the movement. Be the change. Start living your best life today and let Knowledge Affirmation Apparel and Products help you. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the Higher Self Awards. That means your purchase will help Higher Self Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at IAmProducts.Store.